Hey everyone, I'm back again with another video and a voiceover to accompany the two drawings I do for today. Yep, I've got two drawings of well-known characters that come from movies. So with that being said, kick back, relax, and enjoy the video. Of course, since I drew Rocky in one of my previous videos, someone has suggested that I draw Ivan Drago, which is the antagonist for the first Rocky movie, and so here I am drawing him. Since his hairstyle shows the hair sticking up, I'm putting in these small lines to represent Ivan's hair going up, including a little bit of spikes at the top of the hair, especially to give it that nice depth to his hairdo. And that is my drawing of Ivan Drago. Moving on to the next drawing. Now since the reference picture I used has Hayden Christensen playing Anakin, I had to draw in a bit of the cheekbones to highlight some of his facial details. Just as I did for Ivan's hair, I drew in small lines to highlight Anakin's slight wavy hairdo. Of course, with Anakin's outfit, I had to make sure there was some slight details when drawing the wrinkles and clothing layers to his outfit. And with all that done, that's my drawing of Anakin Skywalker. And that does it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Comment below if you have any drawing requests you'd like for me to do in a future video. Like always, leave a like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe if you want to catch more of my videos. Until next time, see you everyone.